Hi, I'm Marilyn Alvarez.
I'm Jennifer Sorgano.
And I'm Anaya Diaz.
We're from Jackie Single Academy.
And today we are making a strawberry yogurt bar.
For this recipe, you'll need paper towels, butter knife, cutting board, 2 measuring spoons, 2 measuring cups, 2 bowls, pan, freezer, and a serving plate.
The ingredients you'll need are 6 fresh strawberries, 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of chia seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon coconut extract.
Wash strawberries and blueberries, dry with a paper towel. Using a butter knife, cut the strawberries and blueberries in small pieces and place both of them in a bowl and set them aside. In the other bowl, put 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut extract, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Mix them together in a bowl, add in the cut strawberries and blueberries. Pour the mixture of the yogurt bark onto the pan and spread it evenly. Freeze for about 8 hours. Cut it into 6 to 8 small pieces and enjoy!